Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I am going to take class 5 science subject lesson 2 plant life part 4. Okay, now I am going to discuss crops. Crops are plants. Okay, nothing but plants. These crops are provides food and other useful things to us. Food and other useful things to us. These crops are many types. Okay, these crops like food crops, fiber crops, oil producing crops. Oil producing crops. What are food crops? Like rice, wheat, maize. These are food crops. Fiber crops like jute or hemp are fiber crops. Next one, oil producing crops. These like groundnut, sunflower, linseed, mustard. Oil producing crops. Crops require sunshine, air, water, good soil. Okay, these are required, but some crops require extra conditions like rice requires rice will grow in hot climatic conditions. Okay, wheat will grow in wet climatic conditions, like that. Okay, rice requires clay soil, more water requires. Wheat will grow in wet climatic conditions. Bajra will grow in less water and sandy soil. Next one, tea, coffee plants requires hilly regions, slopes that are suitable for plant growth. It will give good yield. Okay, slopes, mountains, slope regions like we are saying Assam, Darjeeling, Nilgiris. These are suitable places. Here water continuous flow. Here water is not stagnated. Okay, here not ready to receive water, not collected in that areas. It will water continuous flow. These are suitable places for tea, coffee plantations. These are crops. Okay, in India we are seeing two types of crops per year. In India, we are seeing two types of crops, that are summer crops, kharif, summer crops. Next one, rabi crops, winter, winter crops. What are kharif crops? These are all are kharif crops, summer crops like rice, maize, millet, jowar, bajra, cotton. These are all are summer crops. We can call kharif crops. Okay, these are all are winter crops like wheat, bajra, wheat, bajra, millet. These are all are winter crops. Okay, these are rabi crops. Here, kharif crops. Okay, kharif vegetables. What are kharif vegetables? Like kharif vegetables, onion, brinjal, tomato, bendi, bean, etc. These are kharif or summer vegetables. Next one, fruits. Next one, fruits. Summer fruits like mango, melon, lychee, plum. These are summer fruits. Kharif fruits. Next one, rabi. Rabi vegetables. Rabi vegetables like bean, onion, garlic. Okay, carrot, radish, cabbage, cauliflower, capsicum. These are all are rabi vegetables, winter vegetables. Next one, fruits like apple, pomegranate, banana, berry. These are rabi fruits. Here we have to see to get good crops, to grow good crops. Next topic is to grow good crops. Farmers have to keep some points in their mind. Okay, we will get good crops, we will get good yield. Okay, healthy crops will give healthy yield. So here they have to which soil is suitable for plant growth. They have to select soil. They have to grow good crops. They have to keep some points like they have to select soil. They have to select soil, plough soil, plough soil. Then they have to select soil, plough soil. They have to choose good seed. Okay, healthy seed. They have to choose healthy or good seed. Next one, irrigation. Next one, irrigation is nothing but watering plants. Irrigation. Next one, they have to apply insecticides, pesticides to control pests and insects. Okay, they have to apply pesticides, insecticides, etc. to protect the crop. Next, they have to fence the crop. Okay, any cows, buffaloes, it will enter and it will feed that crop. That's why they have to fence crop. Fence crop. Uh, they have to remove weeds, weedicides. Remove weeds. Unwanted plants should be removed. Remove weeds. Next one, they have to store food. Store food in airtight container. Harvested crop they are getting. That harvested crop should be protected from animals like rats. They have to store in airtight containers. They have to protect that crop. Otherwise, it will enter any wet. Microbes will grow. Microorganisms like bacteria and fungus will grow. That harvested crop will be spoiled. This is all about plant life. If you want more updates about online science classes, you can subscribe, share to my channel. Thank you.